I have enjoyed Log battle maps productions for a very, very long time, and they've been very kind to send me the Veil Dungeon and RPG Toolbox. This is meant to contain everything that you need to play some adventures. Is this going to be worth the amount of money that you have to spend to get your hands on it? Well, welcome to the GMS Magazine RPG unboxing videos. Okay, this is meant to be an RPG toolbox, so it's going to have an awful lot of absolutely everything, hopefully, and I don't know what it is because it's still very much in shrink wrap. So I don't know what's going to come inside, but I have high hopes for this because they always do great things. This is not a review of the adventure that comes inside or anything. This is just to take a look at the components. And by the way, if you like our content, please do subscribe. It really means a lot. So anyway, what do we have in here? Firstly, we have an awful lot of danger because this cover is amazing, and whatever it is that's on the top of that stairs is kind of scary. Ouch. And the bag shows you exactly what you're going to find inside, which is an awful lot. So we're going to find 20 fold-out maps, 40 monster cards, reference books with 100 plus 5e random encounters, 5e adventure raiders of the Cerulean Ruins, a dungeon adventure generation, unique monster stats and descriptions. A lot. So let's see closer, shall we? Jang, jang, jang. Okay, I like the mat of the box, and it's been laminated, which means that it's going to be fairly resistant, and the thickness of the card is pretty good. Already the inside is useful because it has this little map for whatever small encounter you may want to have in here, which is good. And how about I start with this deck of cards, just so I can embarrass myself, try to open it and not being easy. And since I left my Stanley knife away, then I don't have it. So I may need to resort to using my teeth. Like that, see? My teeth. That helped. So, we get thin. Good to sleeve these, by the way, but they're okay. The printing is very nice. And we get, oh, a mimic. We get these lovely things. Look at that spider, how cute. We get all these monsters, different and varying scale of scarity to them. I just invented the word scarity, I think. I don't know. And then we get all the stats. So, Wormspan, we get medium swarm, tiny beast, unaligned, what actions they have. So we seem to have an awful lot of everything. That's very nice. Oh, I like these. I like these because they are laminated, so you can actually write on them, which is very good, and it will come out very easily. And I love that. And if I could see one of my markers close enough, I would show you, but I can't. But give me a minute. Okay, thanks to the magic of editing, we have one of these pens. And I am super excited about showing this to you all. I know, it doesn't take much to excite me. What can I say? Okay, there's one thing though, and is that these things don't lie completely flat. So you're gonna have to do something about it. As in, you humans, like, you know, doing this, and it's sorted. So, behold what I write, an X and a circle in here, and they disappear. You want to see from closer? Of course, absolutely. I am going to write now something here like hello. And goodbye. Now, I could spend all day doing this, but I shall not, for obvious reasons. But you can see that actually, seriously, it does work very, very well. On the back, you have another map, and then you have another, and another. Oh, this is so good. And mappity map, loads of maps, mappity map, and map. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Oh, and another map, and another map, and another map. Woo! Okay, so maps all over the place. Love them. I mean, why otherwise would you want to buy this product? Because you actually love maps. I love maps. So now, I'm so sorry, I need to do this. And by the way, the inside the box also comes with another map, so you can play with it also. What else do we get? We get a book, very nicely bound, by the way. I like the thickness of the cover, in seriousness. I do like the thickness of the cover, that looks very good. The maps are referenced both in the back and the front. Very nice table of contents. Which is very cool. This is the Vale Dungeon, the areas of the dungeon. Wow. You see, I absolutely adore this kind of thing. The idea that just rolling a few dice you can get an adventure pretty much ready to run is magic, as far as I'm concerned. And then 120, not just one, but 120 encounters already done for you. Seriously, I love these things. The quality of the printing is most excellent. The number of encounters is absolutely perfect. And I love that. So that's it. Oh, and here are all the creatures as well, in the back. Well, you can make up your mind by yourself, but I think you know what I'm going to think about this, and I completely love it so much. once again, log battle mats really, really outdone themselves. This is beautiful, beautiful. And I cannot wait to dig a lot deeper into it. If you already have, I would really love to see, what adventures, what adventures you have designed using this system, either this or any other from these authors, because I get excited about this myself, but I would like to hear what you have got excited about by using this process. So please, please, please show me. Until the next time, though, thank you so much for being here with me, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Take care. Last RPG review of the day, and then I'm going to do a quick board game because I forgot the other thing. I have enjoyed. They are laminated, so you can actually write on them, which is very good, and it will come out very easily, and I love that. And if I could see one of my markers close enough, I would show you, but I can't. But give me a minute. Okay, thanks to the magic of editing, we have one of these pens.